The Legend of Singapore. Long time ago, there was a king named Nila Utama. The king's hobbies was hunting, and he was a great hunter of animals. He also really liked the area with beautiful natural scenery. One day, the king Nila Utama heard news about a deer. The deer was very difficult to hunt. The deer was in the forest located on Tanjung Bentam Island. The following day, the king decided to go to the forest of Tanjung Bentam Island. He wanted to catch the deer there. Arriving on the island, the king and his entourage immediately hunted. After almost a day of hunting, they had not gotten success to catch the deer. The king was very disappointed. Finally, they decided to take a short break. When he was resting, a snake suddenly jumped in front of the king. The king immediately took out his sword and caught the deer. Unfortunately, the deer had already escaped and ran up to the hill. The king and his entourage chased the deer up the hill. After arriving there, he got that the deer was gone. Not far from the king stood, there was a large stone. The king then went up and stood on it. From the rock, the king saw an island in the distance. The island was surrounded by white sandy beaches. "What island is that?" asked the king his bodyguard. "That's Tumasik Island, Your Majesty," answered the bodyguard. "Let's go there," sighed the king. The king and his entourage went to the island. Arriving at Tumasik Island, the king was welcomed by an amazing animal. The animal was like a big cat. Its neck was furry, it looked dancing and roared very loudly. "What animal is this?" said the king. "That is the lion, Your Majesty. Usually lions are in Africa, but I don't know why they can be here," answered. "This island is very beautiful. We will make a city and live on this island, because there is a dancing lion animal here. So from now on, I will give the name of this lion city or Singapore." Then king said, "Thank you."